Hello, good day viewers. In this tutorial, we are going to begin with question number 16 down to question number 20 of NECO 2024 Mathematics Examination Objective Questions. And question number 16 reads, we are asked to find the values of x, y, and z respectively, for which we are given this matrix to be equal to this matrix. Remember, if two or more matrices are equal, it means that they have equal interest. This is why you can see we have 9 here and we have 9 here. So all other entries must be the same. All right. This implies that x must be equal to 4, right? This is as simple as saying x equal to 4. We have obtained the value of x. Then 2y must be equal to 12. So 2y must be equal to 12, which means that what? Y must be equal to 6 if you divide both sides by 2. Then lastly, we have z to be equal to 3. As simple as that. Z equals 3. These questions are very simple. So altogether, x, y, z, we have the values to be 4, 6, and 3. Question number 17 is also under matrices. We are given a matrix P and matrix Q, and we're asked to multiply them together. So how can we do that? We first of all bring the first matrix, which is -1, 3, 2, and 1, multiply by the other matrix, 2, 2, 3, and 1. So how can we do that? To get the first row, first column element, we are going to take the whole of this row and multiply by this column. That's exactly how to do that. So -1 will multiply 2. That will give us what? -2 exactly. -2. Then 2 will multiply 2. That will give us 4 exactly. So we add 4 here. Then the first row, second column element will be this multiplied by this. So we take -1 and multiply by 3. That will give us -3. Then we take 2 and multiply by 1. That will give us 2. Then second row, first column element will be this multiplied by this. We take 3 and multiply by 2. That will give us 6. We add. We take 1 and multiply by 2. That will give us 2. Then the second row, second column element will be this multiplied by this. So 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. Then 1 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1. We simplify and get the final answer. This is equal to this together equals to 2. This will give us 8. This will give us -1. And this will give us 10. Therefore, the product of P and Q is this. As simple as that. Let us move on to question number 18. Question number 18, we are asked to evaluate log of 16 base 4 plus log of 27 base 3 minus log of 4096 base 8. So we are going to try as much as we can to transform all these entries in terms of their bases. Let's do that. We know that 16 is the same thing as 4 squared. So this is equal to log of 4 squared, still in base 4, plus 27 is 3 to the power of 3. So this is log of 3 to the power of 3, still in base 3. The minus, this is 8 to the power of 4. So we have log of 8 to the power of 4, still base 8. According to one of the laws of logarithm, all these powers will drop down to multiply. So this 2 will drop down to multiply log of 4 base 4. 3 will also drop down to multiply log of 3 base 3. Minus this 4 will also drop down to multiply log of 8 base 8. And you should know that log of any number having the same base as its number will be equal to 1. So this is 1, this is 1, this is also equal to 1. So 1 multiplied by that coefficient will still be the coefficients. So we have 2 here, we have 3 here, and we have 4 here. All right, 2 plus 3 is 5, and 5 minus 4 is equal to 1, and hence the solution to this problem is equal to 1. Moving on to question number 19, we are asked to solve the equation 4x divided by 5 minus 7 divided by 3 equals 5x divided by 12. First of all, we have different ways of solving problems like this, but for me, I always prefer to clear the fractions. And how can we do that? By multiplying every single term by the LCM of all of these numbers, 5, 3, and 12. The LCM is what? 60. So we are going to take 60 and multiply all of these 3 times. So let's do that. We have 60 multiplied by 4x divided by 5 minus 60 multiplied by 7 divided by 3. This is equal to 60 multiplied by 5x divided by 12. So let's start from the left hand side. We know that 5 can divide 60 exactly 12 times. So we have 12 multiplied by 4x minus 3 can divide 60 exactly 20 times. So we have 20 here multiplied by 7. This is equal to 12 can divide 60 exactly 5 times. So we have 5 multiplied by 5x. 12 multiplied by 4 will give us 48x minus 20 multiplied by 7 is 140. And this is equal to 5 times 5 is 25x. So let's take 140 to the other side and bring backward 25. So we have 48x minus 25x, and this is equal to 140. And if you subtract this, you're going to get 23 exactly. This is 23x equals 140. Then we divide both sides by the coefficient. X will be equal to 140 divided by 23. So this is the solution to this problem. Or if you like, you can write it in mixed number. How many times can 23 go into 140? Exactly 6 times, with a remainder of 2 out of 23. And this is the solution to this problem. Let us move on to question number 20. Question number 20, you are given a function here, which is 3x squared minus 9x minus 5. And we're asked to find f of negative 3. So wherever we have x, we are going to replace it with negative 3. Therefore, f of negative 3 will be equal to 3 multiplied by negative 3 instead of x whole squared minus 9 multiplied by negative 3, then minus 5. Negative 3 squared is 9, and 9 times 3 is 27. Minus 9, minus is plus, right? 9 times 3 is 27 as well. We have minus 5. This will give us 54 minus 5, which is 49. So this is 49 exactly. Therefore, f of negative 3 is equal to 49. As simple as that. In our next tutorial, we are going to begin with question number 21 down to 25. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye-bye.